Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to enter leave without pay through our online system Time Filer. Leave without pay can be submitted if you wish to take a holiday, but you either don't want to use your annual leave, or you don't have enough annual leave to cover the whole holiday period. Leave without pay should also be added if you have not worked all your rostered hours in the week because you arrived late to work. Leave without pay should not be used if your host company has sent you home early because they don't have enough work for you. If this has occurred, please contact your account manager immediately. We recommend that leave is requested in advance where possible so that it automatically shows up on the timesheet when it is generated. To record leave without pay, log into the Time Filer app and select Leave. Create a new leave request. Select the days of your leave. Select the leave type using the arrow. Add a comment for your manager. Click Submit. Remember to submit the request to your manager. Your leave hours should show on your timesheet here. Sometimes this does not happen straight away. In order to refresh the system, try adding ordinary hours for this day and save. In doing this, you should see the leave come through. This is one of Time Filer's little quirks that we need to work around. You should always ensure that all of your rostered hours have also been accounted for. Save and submit your timesheet for approval. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Ka kite ano.